Hi, my name is Hans, and today I'm going to show you how to fix a damaged screw mount on an Epson XP15000 DTF printer. If the screw mount for the printhead holder gets damaged, it can cause printing issues, an unstable installation, and even ink cartridge leaks. But don't worry. In this video, I'll demonstrate how to easily repair it by inserting a threaded brass insert. Let's get started. I'm aware that I'm demonstrating this on an Epson XP8505. But the process is exactly the same for the Epson XP15000. The screw mount for the printhead holder is made of fragile plastic that doesn't handle stress well. Over time, repeated screwing and unscrewing can weaken it, causing it to break. This is a common issue with the Epson XP15000. To fix the damaged screw mount, I'm using a 2mm threaded brass insert. This provides a strong and durable screw connection, making the mount more resistant to wear and stress, and preventing future breakage. I use a soldering iron to gently heat the 2mm threaded brass insert and melt it into the plastic where the screw can no longer grip. Since the heat softens the plastic, the insert may shift out of position. To prevent this, I use tweezers to carefully align it while the plastic is still molten. I also use the soldering iron to smooth out the surrounding plastic, ensuring everything is flat and doesn't interfere with any cables. I use a 2mm screw with a nut to shorten it to the perfect length, ensuring it fits properly. This allows for a secure installation without excess screw length. Now, we can give it a little tug to check if it's secure. Perfect. That's it. Now the screw mount is fixed, and everything is secure. I hope this video was helpful. If you liked it, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more videos. Thanks for watching.